If we're looking on both of these charts from 2022 to 2026, this is the 2026 chart. You can see the little hands I have here. We haven't got there yet, but I want you to see what I see. These are weekly. Each candle is on a week. These are very, very powerful candles. This is not the 5 minute. This is not the 7 minute. This is not the 1 hour, 4 hour. Each one of these candles is a weekly candle on the 5-year time frame. This is broad, looking at macroeconomics, right? In terms, if you want to put it that way. It's not really macroeconomics, but if you had to put it in terms. So we're going to count for this. How many weeks has it consolidated before it sold off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is our ignition candle. We will always take into consideration our ignition candle. Previous highs, we got a wick, 2 wicks, 2 wicks over here. Well, technically 4 wicks. And then we sold off. How many weeks did we go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the previous sell-off was 11 weeks, and our current sell-off was 9 weeks. Very similar. Very similar. This is telling me there was a little bit more news catalyst than what we had. This had a little bit high. See, this had higher volume and still sold off. This had lower volume and sold off, meaning this is actually a weaker. This is the bear flag is actually stronger because the volume in the consolidation is lower. We know for a fact that the volume is lower. Why? Just look at these candles, right? Visually see. Maybe I'll zoom these out for you. Maybe zoom them in. Maybe they'll be a little bit easier on the eyes. But you could physically see that there's more volume. They're larger in length, these candles. So on larger volume, it's still sold off. But because this is on weaker volume consolidation happens. Okay, I hope everyone's following along so far. Now let's really get to where we're getting at, to where this is going to be picture perfect. Okay. Also, anyone that donates anything, thank you. I appreciate it. It gets donated to a food bank. All the money I make from TikTok gets donated to my church and a food bank. So I thank you. The people thank you. So look at this. Something kind of crazy. 2022, reminder, left-hand side is 2022. Rejection candle. Little interesting, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. A green, well, technically, what is this? Like a gravestone candle? I don't know what this is called. I totally forgot. You can see large selling pressure off of the line in the sand. Yellow is the line in the sand if you didn't know. We've been talking about 74.4 for literally probably about a year now. I have not changed it. Look how identical this is. So what this is saying to me is if just solely off price action, we're not looking at volume or digging into anything else like that, solely off of price volume,